So, documentation to ng Mean Girls. Kaso, may kulang na isa. Yung fat, tsaka yung isang Mean Girls. Hi kayo. So, Regina George. Regina George. Say something.
Haha, yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
like as we, sir said, it's good. It's good.
Okay, this is the the tanga-tanga woman in the Mean Girl. You can predict the temperature of the weather. Let's see. Oh my God. And this is the super,
Whatever.
Gaya of Regina George.
Huh? No kaya?
No, and this is the very mabait Lindsay. How are you?
Hello, I'm okay. Look at my artwork.
Where? What's that? What? What did you say? You fat? I fat? Big boobs.
I'm joking.
And this is the best friend of Lindsay Lohan, the lesbian who have a crush on Regina George.
Me?
You.
Excuse me, bakit hindi mapayat si Regina George?
Hindi mapayat.
Ha?
Hindi mapayat si Regina George. Kasi pwede ko magulan ngayong
So, Regina George, ayusin mong barbecue. Masusunog. So,
Paintbrush, me, artwork.
okay. For the last time, Lindsay.
Yes.
And that is the Brigada. The boyfriend of Regina George and the fat guy.
Fat guy.
What's that?
What's my boyfriend, Roel?
Shut up! I hate you. You're a mother bitch.
And you?
Mali!